Hey everybody, I wanted to do this review on this product that I just picked up for cigar smokers. I got this Glashtray Quatro. It comes in this really thick foam box. I guess this is a brand called X. I'll give the information in the link. So anyhow, I've been paying attention to this product for a while. I needed an increased, better cigar holder than a one solo concrete type of stone. Had some friends over the other day and didn't have an ashtray to go with it, but started looking at this for a while, and it's been out of stock. So let me show you what this looks like. It's 10 pounds of glass, very heavy, it's sturdy, beautiful. Let me see if I can get this out with holding the camera. So this is called a glass tray. It's 10 pounds. Solid, beautiful piece. So of course you got four areas for your cigars. Beautiful glass, thick block of. So it's a kind of a beautiful centerpiece for an area. I'm not saying it's all about cigars, but man, if you're gonna smoke a cigar in a male type of oriented, or females, type of decor, if you like that, wow, look at that. It's beautiful. I can't wait to utilize it. Just a nice piece to look at, to enjoy. You got company over, everybody can smoke their cigar. And not like cigars have to, for those of you that don't know, you don't always extinguish your ashes, but there are times where you do need to roll your ashes off and collect them later on. So what a place to do it. Probably will clean very easily with being glass. A little bit of water on a napkin, that should clean it out pretty nicely. But even when you're not utilizing it, what a nice piece to look at. So a pretty expensive little tray here, but it's on sale. So I'm gonna put the link on. I don't know how long they're gonna be doing the sale, but I would advise you, if you want something like this, to buy it now. It was on back order for a while. I waited. I put my email in. They sent me a link saying they had them in stock, and it was on sale. So you can't beat that. Really great price. Even if I paid full price, I think it's worth it. You're talking about $100 range. So just wanted to show it today as a little product review, product showcase from this company called X. So this is the Glashtray Quatro 5-footer. 5-footer meaning anything that you see in your home that's from 5 feet away. It's an eye catcher. It's a conversation starter. It is something to behold, and that's a pretty cool idea. So this, I would agree, this is something that, from a distance, some people are going to want to look at it. It's shiny, it's reflective. It's kind of a nice piece for your cigar world, for a little cocktail company, just something to enjoy. So it's 2 inches thick, 8 inches wide, 8 inches long. It comes nicely packaged, and it's on sale. So hurry up and get yours. Show you one last look at it. It's got this guy on it that's kind of like a biker looking bearded pirate dude. He's an actual guy. He's an actual guy that sells a lot of products and does a lot of videos on different drinks and decor and stuff like that. So check him out. I'll put that in the link. So regardless of the face and a picture of a person, it's a pretty cool everyday dude. But for the cigar purposes, 4 slots, beautifully nicely done product. All right, y'all enjoy that. Take care.